Hey guys, this is the Writing Prompt channel. Here, we take posts from Reddit and read out loud the best stories with the help of a bot. Enjoy this amazing story. The Writing Prompt by user TheFlowy27. Since before anyone can remember, Norvis sorcerers have come before the pillars to see their fate. As you kneel, you only blink before you are pulled to your feet by a sages. In a terrified voice, he tells you that you've been entranced for 9 days, the longest since Merlin, who only meditated 6. Here is the amazing story made with the help of the prompt by user IH4TEF34R. Boy, what have you done? The old man yelled to my face. What did I do? I confusedly asked the great sage. With great fury in his eyes, he crunched up one of his hands into a fist and yelled again. You meditated for 9 days. Quote. I pulled back confusedly. My eyes were wide open from the shock of being yelled at after 9 days of sleep. With a dazzled smile on my face I returned. In 9 days? Quote. The sage rolled his eyes with utmost frustration as he yelled one more time. Yes, you idiot, what else can I say to convey this to you? 9 days. 216 hours. A week and then some. Quote. The smile from my face quickly faded, both because that was the worst yelling I had ever experienced, and also because the revelation conveyed incredible danger. When Merlin the greatest sage meditated, it took him 6 days to get out of trance. That meant 2 things. 1. His ability to use magic was extremely powerful. He could conjure up objects or telekinetically move them with ease while his fellow students failed to do basic magic. 2. He was extremely dangerous because at the start of his magic studies, he couldn't control anything. He could accidentally set an entire building on fire or disintegrate a person without even realizing it. But I slept for 9 days. More than Merlin. The old man firmly grasped my hand and tried to drag me. He was surprised when I screamed, I know what you did to Merlin. Quote. He tried to lift up his other hand to cast a spell, but the incantation was interrupted when I too raised my hand. And like him, I didn't stir my fingers around the air, opting instead to swing it in the shape of a fist towards his face, making him crumble to the ground. Then I ran away from him and the monolith as fast as I could. I was almost fully out of breath when I saw my dad, who was waiting for me. He also ran towards me when I entered his line of sight, and told me, son, we need to get to the car now. End of story. Because ADHD. Kill me. The end. Thank you guys for checking out this channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video. See you in next one. Thank you and goodbye.